This one is a distance problem. It's number 59 in your book. Sometimes people have a little problem with distance problems. I'm not sure exactly why. I think it's because they have the stereotype of two trains leaving a station and they just completely freak out. So we're going to get this one and not to freak out. We do have a formula for distance. Our formula for distance is distance equals rate times time. Now we want to think about our problems in terms of what's happening. It says a kayak moves at a rate of 12 miles per hour in still water. So if we had that kayak and we knew that in still water, we have the 12 in place R, and if we were going to travel for, I don't know, 4 hours, we would say 12 times 4, and that would give us our distance. So we would just substitute everything in exactly like it is. This one actually says if the river's current flows at a rate of 4 miles per hour, how long does it take the boat to travel 36 miles upstream? Now think about that for a minute. Here's your stream. Here's your boat. Your boat's traveling in the still water, and it's traveling 12 miles per hour. Your water is flowing at 4 miles per hour. Now, if you're going upstream, you are actually fighting the current, which means that your boat is really only traveling 8 miles per hour. If you were traveling downstream, you would be traveling 16 miles per hour because you wouldn't be fighting the current. Maybe the problem, let's say, with the current or something like that. But if you're traveling upstream, you're fighting that current. You're only traveling 8 miles per hour. You have all the information you need. This is just a straight plug-in problem. We have the distance, which is 36 miles. We now have the rate because we said that our rate is now 8 miles per hour. We don't have the time. That's what they're asking us. They say, how long does it take? That's time. Well, if I take that just a regular problem and I do division, 36 divided by 8 is roughly 4.5. It is 4.5. So this is the time, 4.5. And what is that? It's in hours because we have miles per hour here. So 4.5 hours it would take us to travel upstream in kayak. Remember, if you're not fighting the current, you would actually add that speed because you would be going faster. If you're fighting the current, you subtract the speed because you're going slower.